How to take a long scrolling screenshot in your laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can take a long scrolling screenshot in your PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is head over to any website that you want to take the screenshot of. So I'll just head over to Wikipedia's main web page. And after doing that, what you'll then do is tap on the three dots that is on the top right corner of our browser. Not this one, this one. So tap on it, and after you tap on it, here you should find more tools. If you don't find it, scroll down, and there we go, more tools. Now here under more tools, you'll find an option called Developers Tool. Tap on Developers Tool, and after you tap on it, you'll find these codes pop up. Now we are not really interested in this, we are interested in the three dots under this section. Tap on the three dots and there you'll find an option to capture full size screenshot. Tap on capture full size screenshot and it should start downloading the screenshot. So there we go. Now if you open this screenshot up, you will notice that a full size screenshot has been just taken and it's a really long one. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.